What's up everyone, Rosario here and welcome to Modern Finance. You saw it in the title, so here we go. Tonight, I'm going to show you 5 ridiculously easy hacks that have only become possible in 2021 to help you on your path to financial freedom. Stay tuned because I use these tools myself to boost my income, save, and invest more money. They're all so easy to use and each one is completely automated, so once they're set up, you don't have to do anything. The best thing about these tools is that they're completely free. That's right, they don't cost you anything. One of them has a paid subscription option, but you definitely don't need to use it. Oh, and I'm not being paid by any of these companies. I'm only telling you about these hacks because I use them myself to grow my wealth every day, and you can too. Here we go. But before we get started, make sure that you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful. It would mean a lot to me and it costs you very little, so go do it. Okay, number 1, earn crypto while you shop. I'm sure you all know about cashback and rewards credit cards. They're great, right? Get a few $100s back in your account at the end of the year or some air miles. Good luck using them when you want to travel though, right? What if instead of getting cash that loses 4.5% of its value every year, yeah, look up the CPI for May 2021 and cry a little like I did. You could instead get an asset that grows in value by about 200% every single year. It's really easy. All you need is a crypto rewards credit card. Okay, I use the term credit card loosely because only one of these options is actually a legit credit card with a credit limit. The other 2 are prepaid cards, which are actually better if you don't like credit card debt. Here are the 3 options that I know of. I have 2 of these and I'm on the wait list for the 3rd. They're awesome. First up is the Mogo card. Mogo card is absolutely free and it gives you 2% back on every transaction in the form of Bitcoin. That's right, every time you use this card to buy stuff, you earn Bitcoin. It's super easy to sign up, costs nothing, and if you use the link down below in the description, you get $10 in free Bitcoin when you sign up. And you give me $10, so it's a win-win. The second card is the Crypto.com prepaid card, and it's similar to the Mogo card. There are a few other perks though, like free Spotify and up to 8% cash back in CRO coin. This one requires you to stake some CRO for a few months before you qualify, so make sure you're prepared to have a few $100s sitting in a cryptocurrency wallet for 90 days or so. The final card is the BlockFi Visa. It's a true credit card and allows you to earn an unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase with no annual fees. This sounds worse than the Mogo card, but it's different because it's a real credit card. You get a credit limit and you don't have to deposit money onto the platform to use it. Sign up using my link in the description below to get $30 in free Bitcoin when you sign up for an account. So those are the crypto credit cards. As an example, if you spend $50K a year using your ordinary credit card, you might get $500 back at the end of the year, which is really only $477 after a year of inflation. If you spend that same amount with your Mogo card, you'll get $1,000 in Bitcoin, which will be worth $3,000 in a year if the growth rate continues on its current pace of 200% annually. Seems like a no-brainer to me. Okay, on to the second trick. I use this one to automatically track the value of all my investments, including my cryptocurrencies, and also to rebalance my portfolio. This one takes some time to set up, so make sure you have a couple of hours, or you can sign up to my Patreon group where I've shared my own version of this little tool. This one works using Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. In the data tab, you just have to click on stocks or currencies, and from there you can create a spreadsheet with all the companies that you own. Here's the tool that I use to balance my portfolio. It has the live updated price of each stock, the sector, and even the ticker symbol. You can pull financials for almost any publicly traded company, and the data is updated regularly. Obviously, take the numbers with a grain of salt as they aren't real-time prices, but it's more than good enough if you want to track your investments over a long time horizon. Another option, if you're not as spreadsheet inclined, is to use a tool like Wealthica. Wealthica allows you to link all of your investment accounts as well as your bank accounts and even your crypto wallets. It's great because you can visualize your portfolio and get an idea of how well diversified you are. I like Wealthica because you can see the big picture, but you can also deep dive and see each investment and what percentage of your portfolio it makes up. It also has a lot of great integrations, including all the major banks and investment brokerages, but I'm waiting for them to get Wealthsimple Crypto added. You can use my link to sign up for Wealthica too. The third tool is similar to Wealthica, but it's best for tracking your income and your spending. It's a free online platform from Intuit, and it connects to every bank and institution imaginable. It's called Mint, and it's still 100% free. I use it to budget my spending and see where my money is going every month. Mint is great because you can see your net worth and track your spending habits over a long or short period of time. It's really intuitive to use, and it's available on every major platform, including the web, iPad, iPhone, and Android. This next tool is great because it allows you to round up every penny that you spend to the nearest dollar and invest the the remainder. Number 4 is Wealthsimple Invest's Roundup feature. The more you spend, the more you invest. It's great because it allows me to feel less guilty when I spend $30.01 on Uber Eats, because I know that 99 cents is going to go directly into my retirement account. Of course, this uses your money, so technically I'm spending $31, but at least I know that 99 cents will turn into nearly 8 grand by the time I'm 80 if it grows and compounds at an average of 15% every year. Yeah, I know it's an unlikely return, but it's not like I only get Uber Eats once a month. Of course, you can head over to rosariocharles.com/wealth to get $10 absolutely free when you sign up, and give me $10 when you do. So what are you waiting for? This last tool is amazing. Everyone talks about passive income, but who actually makes it happen? A lot of the so-called passive income schemes take months or years to set up, and they take a lot of monitoring to make happen. I've saved the best for last because I wanted to give this tip only to the people who support me by watching the entire video, or are clever enough to click the timestamp in the video description and skip past the other ones. If you're a gamer or you have any graphics card made in the last couple of years, this trick is fantastic. It literally allows you to print money while you do nothing. In only 2 months of doing this, I've already earned over $400. If you have access to cheap electricity, you can earn even more. Tool number 5 is called NiceHash, and it's a cryptocurrency mining software. Okay, yes, I've talked about this before on my channel, but I had like 50 subscribers at the time, so hear me out. With NiceHash, you're able to put your gaming PC to work, and if you're crazy like me, you can buy an ASIC cryptocurrency miner off eBay or Alibaba, hook it up to your Tesla, and have your car print tendies for you while it's parked in your garage. I made a video about it. Check it out up here. Here's a breakdown of how this works. With my RTX 2070 equipped gaming computer, I'm currently making about $4 every single day. It uses about 100 watts of power, so that $4 costs me about 19 cents per day. This thing runs 24/7, 365, and it took me like an hour to set up. It's making Bitcoin, so if Bitcoin goes up to 500K like I and a lot of people smarter than me think it will in the next few years, that $1,460 per year could turn into $25,000. An extra 25K per year, that's like earning the median income of someone living in Ireland by doing absolutely nothing. If that's not freaking awesome, then I don't know what is. Okay, that's all I've got for you. Remember to share the video if you found it useful, and be sure to smash the like button. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you all in the next one. Peace.